What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing another wash and go. Talked about this in a previous video that I'm going to be going back to more wash and goes because it's getting warmer out, and I just feel like I do less manipulation when I do wash and goes. That's just me. So yeah, doing another one, and I did have several bad hair days in a row, which I talked about as well. So today I decided to use a gel that I like, that I know normally works for my hair. So I am pulling it back out, trying to use up my stash. It is the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls. I did pair it with the Nature's Little Secret Avocado Cream. I don't think I've used these two together, but I know the avocado cream works well for my hair as well, and I need some moisture and I need my hair to turn out. So I hope this works. I hope these two work together. So the avocado cream is already in my hair. I put it in my hair in the shower, and now I'm going to go in with the Ice Curls and start applying it to the hair. I just recently did a video talking about gels that have glycerin high up on the list that work, and Ice Curls is one of them. I normally don't have any issues with the Ice Curls and the glycerin being higher up on the list, so hopefully I won't this time either. See how it just defines the hair? Yeah, so hopefully it won't this time either. I'm going to go ahead and just twirl my ends just because I want to keep them in good condition. I just recently trimmed them, and then after I trimmed them, I had all those bad wash days, and I'm just like, well, I had the bad wash days before, a couple of them before I trimmed, but then I had a few after. So I just want to protect my ends as much as possible. So yeah, I'm just twirling them after I apply the gel. So it looks like they are mixing well together. I'm not seeing any white. I'm just gonna go in again with a little bit more on these roots because I feel like not everything got covered. There we go. Sorry about that, my battery ran out. So I just changed cameras. I'm not sure how much battery is on this one, but right now I don't have time to try to go downstairs and get a new battery. The one I have up here, I had it unplugged because I plugged in my blow dryer. So now it's back plugged up, so it didn't have any juice in it. So there you go. Like, if you've been watching any of my vlogs, you guys know that life has been lifing over here. Murphy's Law, like anything that can go wrong has been going wrong, it seems like. And today is no different. So hopefully this has enough battery on it, but if not, you guys have seen me do wash and goes before. If you're new here and you have it, I have a whole wash and go playlist on my channel that you can go and take a look at in case this runs out. And yes, the battery is blinking. So guys, let me go ahead and say, you see what I'm doing. I'm just going to continue adding this gel to the rest of my hair, and guys, I will be back when it's all applied, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back, and real quick, I have applied all of the gel to my hair. I feel like I used quite a bit. I don't know what's going on with me. But anyway, I'm going to sit under the dryer, and I will be back. Like I said, if you want to see how I apply my gel all the way through, I have a lot of videos on my channel. Just go and check those out. But in the meantime, I'm going to dry my hair. I'll be back, and we'll talk about this combo. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back, and my hair is dry. It feels good. It does not have a crunch, but it definitely has a hold. It has, you know, a healthy sheen to it, and there are no flakes. So I like this combination. Still haven't changed my battery, so I'm not going to stay on here. I'm not going to make up and all that type of stuff because it's late in the day. I got other stuff to do. But this combination is very good so far. I'll try to come back on day 3 if I can and let y'all know how it held up. But for now, I like it. And so, yeah, guys, this is what it's looking like right now. And I'll be back, so stay tuned for 3rd day hair. Okay guys, I'm back and this is third day hair. Didn't do a lot to it. Didn't do a lot to it because I'm just going to running out to go to my son's spring game. It's their first football game. It's a spring game just to kind of see, you know, where they're at. So yeah, running out for that. Didn't do a whole lot at all. Because I'm gonna have on sunglasses. It's a little bit gloomy. I will try to come back because it's supposed to be a little rainy too. So we'll see how this hair holds up through the elements when I go outside into the rain and everything. I did go out yesterday. It was a nice day yesterday. So my hair didn't really get any wind or rain or anything like that, but today, like I said, it's supposed to be a little rainy, so I might come back and let y'all see how it's holding up. But right now still has a lot of definition, and hopefully it'll get bigger. I kind of been pulling at it to get it a little bit bigger. This piece right here, I did a deeper side part, and this piece is used to being over here, but so it's kind of getting on my nerves a little bit, so I'm gonna try to just kind of tuck it down in there. But anyway, so this is it. Third day hair using the Ice Curls and Nature's Little Secret Avocado Cream. So there you go. Have not put any moisture on it. It's third day. I got some little frizz. It's third day, but I do feel like if it wasn't rainy today that I probably would, if it was really sunny. But because it's going to be a little bit rainy, I think that moisture will kind of help moisturize my hair. So I'm going to bypass it for now. Like I said, I will come back and let y'all know if that was a wise idea or not. Yeah, we'll see. All right, guys, I'll be back. All right, guys, so I am back. Today is fourth day hair using the Ice Curls and the Nature's Little Secret Avocado Cream. I wasn't able to come back on day 2 because I was headed out to my son's game and it was rainy and everything. And I said I would try to come back, but I didn't get home till late, so I didn't get to come back on day 2. And I definitely didn't get to come back yesterday. So today is fourth day hair and this is it. It was a little shrunken up because I was out in the rain, and so I did stretch it a little bit with my handheld blow dryer. So I do want to let you know that. But this is it. I have not moisturized it at all. I think I said previously that I felt like I was just going to see how it does in the rain and see if that brought moisture to my hair, and it did. And then yeah, it's just kind of held on to it, so I'm okay. This weather doesn't know what it wants to do. It was in the 70s, and then the day that I left and it was rainy, it was like in the 60s, and today it's in the 40s, so it's a mess. I like this combo. It stretches nicely, it lasts long. I can definitely get some more days out of it. But anyway, I'm definitely going to wear it today. I probably will wash it tomorrow. I don't like to go really past 5 days. So yeah, just wanted to come on and show you. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know how you felt it held up. I still feel like it has a lot of definition. It is bigger. Like I said, I did stretch it. It actually looked a lot more defined when it was shrunken. But now that I stretched it, it does have some frizz and stuff in it, but y'all know I'm okay with that. I'm okay with frizz and definition as it gets bigger over the days. I like the different textures in it. I like that it looks lived in. I like that it is touchable and it's movable. It's right up my alley. So yeah, it's not as shiny as it was before, but that's not unusual considering the elements it's been in, and then the fact that I stretched it, haven't added any oils to it, haven't added any moisturizer or anything to it. So it is what it is. I mean, it just looks healthy to me. It doesn't look overly shiny. But yeah, these two are good together. I didn't get any flaking or anything like that. So yeah, y'all tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. If you've used these two together, if you will try these two together, let me know. And yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.